Hi, I'm Alisha from AdultSpeechTherapy.co, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a swallowing exercise which involves a straw. And we use it typically with patients who are having difficulties with tongue weakness, tongue-based retraction. It's also shown some evidence for hyoid elevation. So this is the straw suck exercise. And so basically I got some pieces of paper napkin. They are a little bit heavy duty, a little bit heavy. You can use a tissue or a piece of paper. You would put it on a flat surface and basically try to suck and hold the piece of paper up with the straw. It looks like this. I can really feel my tongue retracting back and holding. It also works on the inner oral pressure and lip closure. So again, hold that for 5 to about 10 seconds and complete about 10 of those, or to the point of fatigue. Good luck teaching your patients how to use the straw, suck, swallow exercise. For everything else, including free PDFs, check out AdultSpeechTherapy.co.